What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back in front of this camera. You don't understand. Yes, your girl got some braces. I had these for probably like a month now, and now I'm just trying to get back in front of this camera and make it do what it do. Now, you guys already know I always do my eyebrows off camera to save some time. Now moving into prepping my eyes for my eyeshadow, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. This just helps brighten up those eyeshadows once you start to place them on your eyes, and it's just an easy way to get the eyes ready without buying other eyeshadow primers and things like that. I just feel like a concealer goes a long way, so I've just been doing this since I started doing makeup, and it's been working in my favor ever since. So I do want to point out that I am going to be doing a giveaway with my eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be giving away 3 eyeshadow palettes to 3 lucky winners once you guys follow the steps and everything like that. These winners are going to be coming from Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, all social media platforms. If you guys are interested, please stay tuned, and also go down to the description box so that you can see the steps on how to enter the giveaway. I am using my eyeshadow palette just to give you guys the gist of, I've been using it in mostly all my recent videos, because I just want to, if you invest in a product, then use your product, you know what I'm trying to say. So I'm basically using a color called Exodus out my palette. It's a black. It's super pigmented, so as you can see, I'm picking up a little bit amount because I don't want it to be so bold on my eyes, because I'm not going for a smoky eye or anything like that. I'm just going for a nice subtle eye. I'm now digging into Blackberry Winter from the Reborn palette, which is my palette once again. By adding this color on top of the black, it gives the eyes more of a plum undertone, because the purples that I have in my palette are bright purples. So that's why I'm using this burgundy shade, because it's going to kind of lighten up the black but also deepen the purple that I'm going for, if that makes sense. You guys could kind of see how the eyes are blending, super gradient and everything like that. So you can see the burgundy in the beginning, but then it just feathers into a plum color, and that's what I was going for. So I was super excited to see that it actually came together. Now I'm going to take my Mario Badescu skincare, we use that as a setting spray. I started laughing because my nails were so long that it slipped over the top part or whatever. But anyways, I'm going in with this metallic pink that I have in my eyeshadow palette. You guys, look how perfect this pink is. It is so pretty. It kind of reminded me of Juvia's Place Berry's palette, how they have that metallic pink going on, but mine's is more on a subtle bronze kind of vibe, so it's not so pink. It just, I don't know, it's just super perfect. So I was just like, you know what, I don't want my metallic pink to be so pink. I just want it to be pink enough, a subtle pink, because I like to be extra, but I don't want to look stupid. So I didn't really like how the eyes was looking. I felt like I loved the way the eyes was looking, let me just say that, but I just felt like it was too plain. So I was like, you know what, let me add a wing to pop out these eyes. And you guys, my wing game is getting so much better. Well, it's actually perfect now. In my opinion, it's just perfect. So I did my wing on one try. Both sides were nice and even, made the eyes look so much better. So I was so proud of myself. I'm I forgot how good I am at makeup, crazy. Now I'm going in with my lashes called Dream from Berryjanee collection as well, and you guys can also find that on the website if you guys like the way the lashes are currently looking on the face right now, period. I'm also using my soft matte foundation by NARS in the shade New Caledonia, and I'm blending it out with my Juvia's Place brush, because I just started to blending out my foundation with the brush. But let me just say this, it is starting to get hot in New York, you guys, so less is more. okay? Less is more. You're gonna hear me say that probably like twice out this video, because if y'all know New York weather, it is tricky. You don't understand what the weather is going to be. It's super hot, then it's super humid, but rainy, then it's cold. It's like you don't know what to look forward to. Okay, so now that we have blended out the face with the beauty blender, this is when the Spencer hack come in, the blush hack. I am going to be applying Selena Gomez Rare Beauty blush in the color Love underneath the eyes. So you basically want to apply the blush the way you apply your concealer. I just like to keep the blush shade in the middle because I just seen all the girlies doing this, and I was like, let me just do it that exact way so I won't make no mistakes. Now, I really do believe that this method is really cool, you know, in a unique way. But I am going to tell you guys what I personally feel about this once I start to blend out everything. And for those that want to try this method, I'm just going to let you guys know a few deets about how I feel. I honestly just tried it once I saw Jackie Aina try this, if I'm going to be honest. I was like, Jackie Aina tried it and she looked flawless with it, so I'm going to try it and see if I'm gonna look flawless with it, okay? Period. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. I didn't see no one necessarily set underneath their eyes when they was doing this trend, but I just know naturally whenever you apply something underneath your under eye, if it's creamy, we're gonna apply some setting powder just to make sure that she doesn't crease. So I just did what I would naturally do, you know, so yeah. Now I'm going to use my Black Radiant True Complexion Contour Palette. You guys know I love to use this palette as a bronzer. Like I said before, less is more, and I skipped the cream contour today because, you know, it's hot in New York. Let me just point that out again. Like, it is hot, and the way the weather is out here, you don't want to do too much and then you start looking so cakey or too dry, or, you know, so I just wanted to keep it like you know, with the foundation, a soft matte look. And I was happy that I skipped the contour, the cream contour at least. It gave my face a nice summery look, so I was excited to see, you know, how I looked in the end. Now I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth pressed powder. Now I'm just applying this to make sure that I have no harsh lines in my face. You guys know Sephora Micro Smooth always come in clutch when it comes to, you know, wrapping up the face and everything like that. If you do not have Sephora Micro Smooth in your makeup kit yet, I would highly recommend this. It's super affordable and it's an amazing addition to your makeup set. I am spraying my face with my 3-in-1 primer by Wet n Wild. I feel like I just feel like this primer, setting primer, took over like the drugstore setting spray. You know, it's so refreshing, and this is the coconut one. It just feels amazing. Look, your girl was feeling herself, all right? Period. Like, look at the face, super summery vibes. I was so happy with the way my face turned out. I was like, that's snatch, okay? I'm applying those same colors that I applied on the top of my lid to my under eye from my Reborn palette. If you guys gotten this far in this video, let's not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to your girl channel if you haven't already. Also, if you want to enter the giveaway once again, please follow the steps in the description box. You see, I'm stuttering and stuff. But yeah, follow the steps in the description box below if you guys are interested in receiving a free eyeshadow palette from Berryjanee's collection. Now we're going into the mascara. I'm using my Fenty mascara. I wasn't a big fan of this mascara in the beginning, but it's growing on me and I think I'm actually starting to like it a lot. And if you ask me if I would recommend this for, you know, someone that doesn't like lashes, I probably would. It lasts a very long time, so let me just add that. Now going into my lip combo, I'm using Berryjanee's collections, you guys. Berryjanee collections. Like, let's get on to it. This is in the shade Melt. For some reason my camera wasn't focusing on the color, but once I apply it, you guys are going to see the beauty in this lip gloss. Like, it's like perfect for every day in a way, especially if you want like a color, a pop of color. I'm going in with my brown lip liner in the shade Tuscan Brown. This is also available on the website for those of you that are interested in getting these products, okay? Now, my lip products are top selling on my business website, so you might see low stock, but I do still have a few available for those of you that do want to purchase. So feel free to head over to the website if you guys like the way my lip combo came out. Again, this is in the shade Melt, and as you can see, I didn't even put a lot on. I just used a little bit. Again, a little goes a long way. I'm just super proud of how far I came with my business. My lip glosses have improved, the packaging, everything I invested into myself, okay? Now look how happy I am. Like, you guys, I'm not gonna sell y'all something that I'm not gonna use. Like, I literally use my lip gloss every day. Like, no cap. Look how pretty that color is. Okay, you guys better head over to Berryjanee's collections website. Link is going to be in the bio area, description area below. Okay, because look how she's looking like a grown woman. Like, what? Let's get into it, you guys. Period. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Like, look at me. Okay, so I really didn't have to add lip gloss, but you know me, I'm always a little bit extra. I really like the way the lip turned out too, okay? Period. Now, if you guys like the way this lip turned out, leave a comment down below on what you guys felt like I should have probably did a little bit different, but I did feel like it was perfect, like really perfection, you know? Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.